Hi, I'm Angel with the Austin Organic Gardeners, and today we are planting cover crops. We're planting a blend of cover crops that include wheat, Austrian winter peas, hairy vetch, collards, daikon radish, a couple of varieties of clover, and yellow mustard. Now, cover crops aren't necessarily something that you plant to harvest.
A cover crop is a crop you grow for the soil and not necessarily for your plate. The practice of growing specific crops just for fertilizing and building the soil dates back to the Roman Empire. There are many reasons to plant cover crops in the winter. Cover crops are an important soil carbon sequestration strategy. The roots and shoots of cover crops feed bacteria, fungi, earthworms, and other soil organisms, which increases soil carbon levels over time. Cover crops reduce the impact of rain on the soil surface, reducing soil erosion and runoff. Planting cover crops increases organic matter, leading to improvements in soil structure, stability, moisture, and nutrient holding capacity. Cover crops store nutrients from compost, mineralized organic nitrogen until the next crop can utilize them, reducing nutrient runoff and leaching. Certain cover crops, such as clover, field peas, and beans, add nitrogen to the soil, reducing the need for nitrogen fertilizers. Deep taproots of some cover crops, such as daikon radish, penetrate compacted soil layers, improving drainage while allowing for more moisture in the soil. A cover crop provides a natural means of suppressing soil diseases and pests. It can also serve as a mulch to prevent weed growth. While some cover crops provide an actual source of food for you, they also provide a source of food for beneficial insects and wildlife. So based on all of these benefits, choose an area in your garden or an area that you want to garden. It is also a good crop rotation strategy. We will be planting cover crops where we grew corn, which uses a lot of nitrogen in the soil. Additionally, we will be planting cover crops where we grew sweet potatoes, and this will help ensure that we control any potential nematode problems. So once you're ready to start your spring garden, you can cut down your cover crops by mowing, weed eating, or just chopping it down with loppers. Never uproot your crops because you want to not upset the soil ecosystem or pull up the organic matter and nitrogen nodules that are in the roots of the plants. You can use the organic matter as mulch. You can also dig a trench in your garden and directly compost it in your bed, or just put it in your compost bin. I hope you learned something about cover crops today, and if you have any questions, feel free to add them in the comments section.